Rangblang we gather in faith and prayer, with joyful hearts and voices fair. The Spirit moves among us today as we listen to the Word and pray.
O Lord Jesus, touch and heal. Your loving power we truly feel. With humble hearts we come to you. Guide our lives in all we do.
Father Thomas Bobby shared the word. Through him your holy voice was heard. With faith and hope our hearts prepared, Bishop Wilbert his grace freely shared.
He prayed for children, young and small, that your gentle mercy on them fall. Keep them safely in your care, and lead them always in your prayer.
For the youth who walk this way, teach them, Lord, your truth each day. Free them from pride, pleasure, and wrong. Make their faith in you grow strong.
Call some hearts to serve your way, as priests and religious day by day. Let them live with humble grace, shining your light in every place.
Bless the daughters as they grow. Teach them, Lord, your will to know. To honor parents with faithful hearts, and choose the path your love imparts.
Oh Lord Jesus, touch and heal. Your saving love we truly feel. In our village, your Spirit we see, now and for eternity. Now and for eternity.
We gather in faith and prayer, with joyful hearts and voices fair. The Spirit
Keep praising right now. Keep praising. Keep praising. Keep praising,
as we
everybody.
listen to the Word.
Hallelujah.
Oh Lord Jesus, touch and heal. Your loving power we truly feel. With humble hearts we come to you. Guide our lives